Cynthia, come and visit me today. Now I know where the home of the fighting brave is. Oh, 'cause Cynthia doesn't believe in heroes on wings. Oh no, just ordinary folks that do heroic things. Cynthia came to visit me today. Cynthia, we win because we want prize, and when it's not about us, once we catch it, not surprised, the prize was hunting us. We were born all filed out. The way we keep it burning is our action. That's the highway to the top. Not thinking, don't say things too good. So, girlfriend, let's plan a party for a groovy future world, and act upon it with fervor, girl. Your Spitfire, your puns are more powerful than skill, knowledge or iron will. Cynthia, Cynthia came to visit me today. Oh, I surely know who lives in the bones of the brave. 'Cause Cynthia doesn't believe in heroes on wings, just plain folks that do heroic things. Cynthia came to visit me today. Cynthia rocks in her secret place with a ton of doubt and despair on her face, only to return with love to share and a direct map to lead you right out there. We were born all fired up, way we keep it burning. Action is a highway to the top. Thinking of her spear, we don't want that here. 'Cause Cynthia, we're planning a party for our groovy future world. We're acting upon it with fervor, girl. Your Spitfire is fun, are more powerful than skill, more powerful than knowledge or iron will. Cynthia, 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 get to visit me today. Yeah, now I know she is the home of the brave. Cynthia, come and visit me today. Now I know where the home of the fighting brave is. Oh, 'cause Cynthia doesn't